Namaskar and Shubha Deepavali to everyone from our home to your home. Let there be light in your lives because Deepavali, the festival, celebrates joy and light everywhere in India today and by all Indians. It is a festival the most important for Hindus, Sikhs celebrate it, Jains, Buddhists, and it is a time of goodwill, of good neighbors, and a neighborly feeling for everyone. It is a day when we welcome in our homes Goddess Lakshmi, who is known to be the very incarnation of abundance and wealth. We welcome her into our homes where the doors are left open and clay diyas are lit, lights all over the homes and in every part of the streets. As we welcome her and say, please make sure all our homes have joy. It is also a time that it is believed she and Vishnu were promised to be married. It is also a time that the famous epic, the Ramayana, here Lord Ram and his wife Sita, his brother Lakshman and his messenger Hanuman are believed to have returned with Lord Ram after 14 years of exile and banishment, and they returned to Ayodhya because 14 years were over. It is believed that Lord Ram was banished by his stepmother Kaikeyi, and his father Dashrath, who was then the king, had no choice, and he had to let his son go because he had given a boon to his wife Kaikeyi, and he had to follow through, and Lord Ram, being the most obedient son, could not remove that very boon, even though it was something that took him away from his people and kingdom. The return of Lord Ram is always seen in this epic and on Deepavali as a time that it is the return of goodness, of good values, and of dharma, which is the very code of life and living. It is the ethics that returned, which is symbolic when we say Lord Ram has returned. People celebrate with sweetmeats, flowers, floor designs made out of rice and grain called rangoli. They dress up beautifully, and it is a time when people remove and forget all ill will towards their neighbors. It is a time that caste, religion, creed does not play a part. And it is this goodwill that we hope Diwali brings into everyone's life. I grew up always hearing Diwali, every day should be a Diwali. Every day we should celebrate the joy that comes and the light from within us and keep the same throughout. So when there's family and friends and there's joy all around of giving, a time of philanthropy, a time to respect, a time to reflect that where is it that our lives are going, a time to reflect on businesses. So when people pray for Lakshmi and merchants pray on this day to their books and their ledgers, it is a time to reflect what is important in life and the values, the exchange, the reflection for those who have more to give to those who they can help. And it is a time to be very thankful and grateful for everything in our lives. Deepavali, which is the traditional word for Diwali, literally means Deepa, light. Avali is rose of light in Sanskrit. And it comes every year in the month of Kartik. It is Amvasya, which is the night that we have Deepavali. So you light up, so there's no darkness all around. And it is the end of the Ashwin month because we follow the lunar calendar and we celebrate the festival of Deepavali. It is also a time that in Bengal they celebrate Goddess Kali, and it is also believed by the Jains that it is the day that their Lord and Saint Mahavir received Nirvana. So it is, as I see, a time to reflect and just exchange goodwill for Deepavali. So please come and celebrate Deepavali with all your light and joy. Namaskar.
So on Deepavali, we have to make sure that there are rows of lights for Deepavali as we light and hope there's light in everyone's life. It's a beautiful festival where, as you can see, everyone celebrates dressing up. Firecrackers used to be lit. It causes pollution now. And so we try to avoid loud noises so that dogs don't get scared, and I have 6 dogs. And we try to make sure that we don't have people with lung issues, so we can still celebrate a lot without having loud sounds. So, Shubha Deepavali to all. Happy Deepavali to all. The spirit of the children never goes.